So guys, we have looked at local date, we looked at local time, and we looked at instant, we looked at period, we looked at duration, and we looked at zones. So the last thing that we want to look at is how to format our temporal instance objects, or you can say time instances. So we're going to look at the demo, which is our last lecture under this DateTime API. So as you can see here, we are defining a DateTime format, which is here. And what we want to do is we have local date that we have passed here. So what I'm going to do, it's fine, I can still use this one, 2016 January the 1st. Can just remove this 0, it doesn't make sense. Then what I want to do, I want to print this local date in this format. So for now, I'm just going to comment this other code. So I'm going to run this code quickly. We see we have day, we have month, we have year. Let's see what happens if we just put 2 M's instead of 3 M's. We see now it's different. Let's see when we put small letters M. We see that it's an error. So when you put some formatting here or the pattern, you must always make sure that it is compatible with what it's already defined. Don't put something that is not there already. So yeah, this is it. I'm gonna uncomment this code and also run it. For now, I'll remove this print out. So we have wake up time, which is local, as you can see here. And then we want to give it this format. So we want to say this format is wake up time. Let's see what we're gonna get. So this is the format we are getting. So we can also provide our format in this way. So let's say we want to do that, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to overwrite this and our code should still work. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to put just H. So it gives us 6. When I say hours, minutes, seconds, as you can see, it gives us just like that. So you can still use the format the way you want to use it. I'm going to uncomment this code now. So now we're going to use another formatting style. So here we have date formatter of localized time, then we have format style short. So let's print it and see what we're gonna get. So this is format short. Let's say another format full. So we get an error because it's not supported. So the short worked. Let's try and use long. We still get an error. So short is the one that only works for us when we are formatting this, and it gives us this format. In most cases, you'll find that time will be displayed maybe on web applications, on your phone, like this format. So this is what you might want to do. I'm just going to comment this one also and uncomment this one. So now we are working with local date. Here we were formatting time. So what we are doing here, we say month, day, year, and we put another format. So I'm just going to run this code for you guys to see. So you see here we have April 4, 2015, which is what we have here. And we saw that when we have triple M and double M, it gives a different result. Here it gives us in number, but when it's triple M, it gives us in words. So I'm just going to put another M here. You see that the name becomes full. So when you have 4 M's, you get the name in full. But when you have 3, it will give an abbreviation of the month. The month is in full, is abbreviated. But when you have 4 M's, the month will be in full. So if I was to put 10 here, sorry, 11, we get November. If I remove M, we get NOV, which is an abbreviation of November. Then we see here we get E, which is actually standing for a day. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to put 6 so that we get Friday. And then we get 7, which is Saturday, first day of the week, which is Sunday. So, and then here we see that we have this order here. So you can achieve the same thing. So when you put the M, it will abbreviate a month. Okay, let's say this D, we put it in caps and we put 3 of it. We see we have 305, which is the, I don't know if this is actually correct. So I'm just going to put 2 here. Let's run it and see. It's still giving us that. So you can also play around with this datetime format. We can provide, there is lots and lots of ways in which you can format your date. You just have to know what to use in order to achieve the desired formatting.